Do you live in Cambridgeshire? Having problems with anything to do with your home security? Are you looking for a company that both the police and government sectors continue to trust? Benn Lock & Safe was established in 1977, making them Peterborough's first security company to offer locksmith, CCTV, burglar alarms and access control services to both commercial and residential properties. For years, local residents have visited Benn Lock & Safe's trade counter located in Fengate, Peterborough to get light repairs to locks or to purchase a number of services that include providing a variety of keys that are cut using state-of-the-art key-cutting machinery, standard keys to high-security keys including master key systems, selections of security hardware from door locks, multi-point locks, window locks and handles, security padlocks and key safes, to a wide selection of display, home safes and security key cabinets. Customers have now started to use a simple online shopping experience that Benn Lock & Safe provide, while adding more and more products and deliver them directly to the comfort of your homes. They come highly recommended on Google and Yelp by customers that reflect their experiences. The 3 best rated is an independent website that use a vigorous 50-point company inspection against local businesses, and Benn Lock & Safe have continued to be the top of the 3 best locksmiths in the area. As members of the Master Locksmith Association, offering a 12-month product and workmanship warranty, fully CRB checked, Benn Lock & Safe are fully transparent, and you can rest assured that they are the security company that will deliver a great service to all residents living in Cambridgeshire. Visit their website or simply give them a call for any expert security advice today.